Looks like she wants to wake up. Gwenny! Grammy's here, Gwen. She's waking up. There she is. She sees you.
I think she's moving her eyes. Oh, she closed them.
She knew it was you. You can hold her hand or something.
She doesn't hit.
No, she's so little. She loves you. She would never hit.
Kennedy hits.
Kennedy doesn't hit either. She's a nice girl. Look, she's looking at you again.
Did you give her a kiss, buddy? Oh, that was nice.
How does she say?
She went, oh.
Oh, I love my brother.
It's like, I'm a big brother.
Yeah.
When do you take the home?
You what? What, Graham?
Look how little her fingernails are, Graham. That's what I always love about babies. Their fingernails are so tiny. Look. They're so tiny.
I think she's saying she wants to go to the car show now. Should we go take her?
Let me see car.
Was that her saying car?
I thought I heard her say car show.
All right, let's go.